Common money mistakes and how to avoid them. The financial journey of each individual is unique, and we are bound to make our share of missteps. It is part of the learning curve. However, there are certain common money mistakes that can have long-term negative impacts on our financial health. This video aims to shed light on these mistakes and provide guidance on how to avoid them. Before moving forward, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos. Failing to plan a budget, the money management misstep. Budgeting is a crucial tool for maintaining control of your finances, yet it's a step that many people skip. The absence of a budget can lead to a murky understanding of your spending habits, often resulting in unnecessary debt. To bypass this common financial pitfall, crafting a budget is imperative. Your budget should provide a clear picture of your income and your expenditures. By doing so, it enables you to track your money flow and make more informed decisions about your spending. Regular reviews and updates of your budget are also essential. These adjustments will accommodate any shifts in your income or expenses, ensuring your budget remains an accurate reflection of your current financial state. Taking these steps towards a well-planned budget is a surefire way to prevent this frequent money misstep. Spending beyond your means. The credit card trap. Falling into the credit card trap is an all-too-common financial blunder. Credit cards, while beneficial for building credit and managing unexpected expenses, often lure individuals into spending more than they can afford. The convenience of swiping your card can cloud your judgment, making it easy to overlook how much you're actually spending. However, succumbing to this trap can lead to overwhelming credit card debt. A smart strategy to steer clear of this mistake is to treat your credit card as if it were a debit card. The fundamental rule to follow is simple. Don't charge more to your card than you can pay off at the end of the month. It's vital to resist the temptation of making large purchases that exceed your budget, no matter how attractive the item or deal may appear. Staying mindful of your credit card balance is another crucial habit to develop. Regularly checking your account will keep you informed about your spending and can help deter impulsive purchases. Neglecting an emergency fund. The unexpected expense error. One of the unpredictabilities of life is the sudden occurrence of unexpected expenses. Whether it's a sudden car repair, an unforeseen medical bill, or a job loss, these financial curveballs can throw off even the most meticulous budget. However, many individuals overlook the importance of having an emergency fund, leaving them unprepared for these inevitable financial surprises. This lack of foresight can result in taking on high-interest debt or experiencing unnecessary financial strain. To navigate around this common financial mistake, it's critical to begin building an emergency fund. The emergency fund should ideally be able to cover a minimum of 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This provides a safety net that allows you to cover any sudden expenses or navigate through a period of financial hardship without drastically impacting your daily life or long-term financial health. Start by setting aside a small amount each month. Even if the progress seems slow initially, every contribution brings you closer to a more secure financial future. It's also helpful to keep your emergency fund in a separate, easily accessible account. This ensures that the fund is readily available when you need it but separate enough to avoid unintentional spending. Consider using a high-yield savings account for your emergency fund to allow your money to grow over time. Ignoring retirement savings. The future financial folly. Many individuals put off saving for retirement, viewing it as a distant concern. This is a prevalent financial blunder that can lead to a less secure and comfortable retirement. To steer clear of this pitfall, it's essential to begin making contributions to a retirement savings account at the earliest opportunity. It's worth noting that even small, consistent contributions can significantly accumulate over time due to compound interest. The beauty of compound interest is that you earn interest not just on your initial investment, but also on the interest you've accrued, creating a snowball effect that can exponentially boost your savings. As you progress in your career and your income increases, aim to increase your retirement contributions accordingly. If your employer offers a retirement savings plan like a 401k and matches your contributions, take full advantage of this benefit. It's essentially free money towards your retirement. If a 401k isn't an option, other alternatives like an individual retirement account, IRA, or a Roth IRA can also be beneficial. Remember, your future self is counting on you to make wise financial decisions now. By integrating retirement savings into your financial planning, you're investing in a financially stable and comfortable future. It's never too early to start planning for retirement. It's a long-term game where the earlier you start, the better your future payoff will be. So ignore procrastination and embrace retirement savings as an essential part of your financial strategy. Overlooking investment opportunities, the missed wealth-building mistake. Investing may seem complex and overwhelming, especially for those who are novices in the financial landscape. However, disregarding investment opportunities is a widespread monetary misjudgment that can impede your financial advancement. Investments are not just for the wealthy. They are a powerful tool that can significantly magnify your income over time. To counter this error, the first step is to enlighten yourself about the different types of investments available. These can range from stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, to even starting your own business. Each investment avenue comes with its own set of risks and rewards. Hence, understanding your financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment goals are crucial in determining the right investment strategy for you. Next, consider leveraging the expertise of a financial advisor. A good advisor can provide valuable insights, guide you through the complex investment process, and help tailor a portfolio that matches your individual needs and objectives. However, ensure you select a credible and certified advisor. It's also critical to keep in mind that investing is a long-term endeavor. It's not about quick riches, but rather the steady growth of your wealth over time. Be patient and resist the temptation to make hasty decisions based on market fluctuations. Falling for financial scams, the fraud faux pas. In today's digital age, the prevalence of financial scams has skyrocketed. Unwittingly falling for these deceptive schemes can inflict severe damage on your financial well-being. The most effective defense against these frauds is an informed, vigilant approach. Before deciding to invest in a company, undertake a comprehensive research process. Investigate the company's background, track record, and credibility. Ensure to verify all the information presented to you and consider seeking a second opinion from a trusted financial advisor. One primary rule of thumb to follow is that if a deal or investment opportunity seems too good to be true, then it most likely is. High returns usually come with high risks. If an offer promises huge profits with little to no risk, treat it with suspicion. Guarding your personal information is another crucial step in avoiding scams. Be extremely cautious when asked to provide sensitive information such as your social security number, bank details, or credit card information. Genuine businesses or financial institutions will never ask for these details via unsecured means, such as email or over the phone. Be especially wary of unsolicited offers or contact. Scammers often reach out directly to potential victims via emails, messages, or phone calls. If you receive an unexpected offer, especially if it pressures you to act quickly, it's a red flag. Lastly, consider reporting any suspected scams to the authorities. This can help protect others from falling victim to the same scam. Not having financial goals. The aimless spending slip-up. Financial goals serve as a compass in your financial journey. Without them, your spending can often be uncontrolled and aimless, leading to financial instability. This lack of financial direction is a common money mistake that many individuals fall into. By not setting specific financial objectives, you risk overspending on non-essential items and compromising your financial health. To steer clear of this, it's important to establish clear, tangible financial goals. These could range from purchasing a home, launching your own business, or even saving for a dream vacation. Having these goals not only provides a clearer vision for your financial future, but also instills a sense of motivation and purpose in your financial actions. Setting financial goals isn't a one-time event. It requires regular revisiting and revising. Your financial goals will likely evolve over time as your financial situation, personal aspirations, and life circumstances change. It's crucial to ensure that your goals remain aligned with your current situation and future plans. To make your financial goals more attainable, try breaking them down into short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals. This approach can make even the most daunting financial objectives seem more manageable and achievable. Finally, remember to celebrate each goal you achieve. This not only reinforces positive financial behavior, but also keeps you motivated towards reaching your next financial milestone. By cultivating the habit of setting and working towards your financial goals, you are taking a crucial step towards a more disciplined, focused, and prosperous financial future. In essence, setting financial goals is like charting a map for your financial journey. It might not always be a straight path, but it will help guide you to your desired destination. If you enjoyed from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.